Oh, draw a circle. Circle. Very nice. Sedi, that's like a nut. Circle. It's like a leaf. That looks like leaf. Pop. Or a heart. It's like a heart. Pop. Always pop. Erase. Then draw another circle. C. What is that? C. What are you drawing? Arrow? Line. That's oblong. Pop. It's pop. Lollipop again. Pop. Always pop. C. Pop again. Lolly. Pop. No. What's that? What's that? Circle. Or balloon. Where are you going? Oh. Careful. Where's your piano? Where's the piano? Oh, Sedi, play piano. Yes, oh, play something. Oh. Very good. Oh, yes, sit. There. Where's your chair? There. You're sitting on the chair. Oh, yes. You're finished? I thought you want to play. It's upside down. Play properly. Where's your arm? Where's your arm? Where's your arm? There. Oh, on the bed. You sleep on the bed. Use both hands when playing. Dirty, give it to me. T, dirty, okay. Finish? Okay, how do you wave? Wave. Wave. And bye-bye. What is that? Itsy bitsy spider. Where is Itsy Bitsy Spider? Itsy Bitsy Spider. He has two names. Ice. Oh, there is Itsy Bitsy Spider. Huh? Show me. That's Itsy Bitsy Spider. Itsy Bitsy. Itsy Bitsy. This is a car, yes. It's your car. Said this Mini Cooper. And that's another car. I don't know, that's a sports car. And that's your drawing. It's not drawing book. Pretty Bird book. How about caterpillar? Where is caterpillar? There. Okay. It has sound. Can you play it for me, please? And then there's lights too. Yay. Put inside the cabinet. Very nice. Toy. Yellow, red, A, B, C. That's caterpillar. Eyes and ears. Where's the ears? There, ears. When you press the ABCs, lights will come through his ears. There. Eyes. Letter sounds. Now it's time to read. Fifty bird.
Thanks for learning with Leapfrog. Bye-bye.
Sit. Yeah.